पहले तो अपने किरदार के बारे में बताइए। माय वाइफ्स मर्डर जैसे कि एक सस्पेंस साइको थ्रिलर टाइप की फिल्म है, आपका किरदार किस प्रकार का है इसमें?
नॉर्मली सस्पेंस फिल्म में अगर हम बता दें तो फिर सस्पेंस फिल्म रहती नहीं, लेकिन इट्स वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड कि जैसे आपने प्रोमोज में देखा होगा कि एक हस्बैंड और मियाँ बीवी के बीच में एक रनिंग आर्ग्यूमेंट होते रहता है, एक मर्डर होता है और एक इन्वेस्टिगेटिव ऑफिसर अनिल कपूर का कैरेक्टर मिस्टर पटवर्धन फ़ोन करता है कि मेरी बीवी इज़ मिसिंग। तो एक इन्वेस्टिगेशन वहाँ से शुरू होता है। जब ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन शुरू होता है, ये इन्वेस्टिगेटर जो है तेजपाल रंधावा, ही इज़ अ एक्सपीरियंस गाय। ही इज़ नॉट इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो वो करते रहता है, इज़ नॉट कि मतलब ये होगा तो ये होगा, ये होगा तो ये होगा। इज़ वेरी कूल, इज़ एंजॉइंग द इन्वेस्टिगेशन बिकॉज उनको 20 साल हो गए ये गेम खेलते हुए। अभी ये गेम खेलने में उनको एक एन्जॉयमेंट है बिकॉज ही नोज कि उनको पता है कि शायद ये है या ये है या वो है, ये ऑप्शन है या वो ऑप्शन है। इट्स लाइक अ गेम फॉर हिम, इट्स लाइक अ गेम फॉर हिम, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट people who are working, it's not just about a murder, it's not just about a suspense because we know who's committed the murder. We all know who's committed the murder. इसमें कोई suspense नहीं है. But it is a psychological approach to enjoying what one does. 20 years down the line, when you are asking character of Tejpal Randhawa, जो investigation करता है with great joy, because he knows he's like a tiger or he's catching his prey, and बस इतना ही। एक मेरे घर में एक सीन, मैं हर जगह जाता हूँ तो मुझे खाने का बहुत शौक है, कभी खाते ही रहता हूँ। और इट्स नॉट फॉर द सेक ऑफ कॉमेडी कि हमने एक ट्रेट रखा है कैरेक्टर के अंदर कि खाते ही रहेगा तो इट विल बी फनी, बिकॉज उनके भी लाइफ में एक घर में एक बीवी है, 20 साल शादी हुई, और घर पे जाता तो हिज वाइफ इज़ अ टेरेबल कुक, and we find that out in a very subtle way. It is not a good cook, और घर में वो थोड़ा डरा हुआ रहता है बीवी से, लेकिन बाहर घर रहता है। And that is very interesting for me as to all of us over here, including you and everyone here, are wear masks. We are different at work, we are different at play, and we are very different at home or with our friends. है, इनका trait है तो बस वही करेगा. I don't believe in that. Even in Munna Bhai, I think he was very Dr. Asthana was very different at his workplace and very different with his with his daughter. I find that very exciting to do as a character, and I try very hard, and I think Gigi developed that very well. He can't eat his own home food, but he's very happy when he's eating pani puri on Juhu Beach and solving the case. And we are all looking for avenues to enjoy our work. And apart from all that, that is the psychological side. But I think it works. This film works on every level. There's a thrilling element. There's a psychological element. There's a great identity of marriages and the boredom of marriage. With a lot of people that they get excited and they take out their anger on the wife, and the wife takes out the anger on the husband. Immediately there's a connection. I think this film will connect big time with the audiences.
Anil Kapoor, a very fine actor. How was it working with him?
I find it a revelation to know that someone like Anil Kapoor, after so many years, he's done it all. He's done the village bumpkin. He's done the hero. He's done everything. Even today, जब set पे आते, he does never gives a lazy shot or a lazy take. Shot तो दूर की बात रही, एक lazy take नहीं देंगे. इतना dedication और involvement है उनके पास. When we had scenes with each other, I think the way Gigi has shot it, he's shot it sometimes very simply to see two actors who are working off each other. If the actors are working in isolation, it doesn't work. When the actors are feeding off each other, looking into each other's eyes, hoping I'll see कि मतलब you will blink first, देखूँ आपकी when I can. I think that is very exciting to work with an actor who's willing to feed off you and give, and you are willing to take and give. It boils down to the same old story of the give and take, but I don't know if I'm explaining it as well as I should.